Hello, today we would like to demonstrate how you can listen to Spotify offline. So first of all, choose what exactly you want to listen to offline. Should it be any playlist or album or your liked songs section? I'll go with the like songs, for example, and each of the mentioned units will contain this download button, which you want to tap on. Wait until all the songs will be downloaded, and that will effectively mean that now you can listen them even while offline. So let me simply turn off my Wi-Fi connection and demonstrate it to you. For example, I'll enable this song, and as you can see by this timer change, it plays successfully, even without me having any kind of internet connection. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.